Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Okay, so today we're going to learn a new subtopic is 7.2 gravitational potential energy. Okay, so learning outcome 7.2a is define gravitational potential energy. So let's discuss about work done by external force first. Okay, so work done by external force means that now we refer to the figure. Okay, this figure, the planet pulls the object with the gravitational force is given by this. Okay, let's say this is object. So the gravitational force always towards the center of the planet. Okay, so this is we learned in the previous lesson in the gravitational force. So the attractive force between two masses and divided by squared distance between them. Okay, so suppose an agents means ada penambahan work lah yang diperlukan untuk objek upward slightly through the distance dr. Okay, means that dia nak pindahkan daripada position A to position B. They need the agent. Okay, dia tak boleh pergi sendiri, so dia perlukan sesuatu. Sebab kenapa tak boleh pergi sendiri? Because ada force yang tarik sentiasa towards ke arah planet. Okay, dan tarikan dia kuat. Okay, so then the agent does work against the gravitational force, iaitu menentang gravitational force. Okay, so based on formula work, okay, work is given by F dot S. Okay, F dot S means that F S cos theta, is it? We have learned this in chapter 5. Okay, so now the type of force that we use is gravitational force. That's why we substitute this formula into F. Okay, so work done is Gmm over r squared times dr. Because we want to integrate this formula. Okay, if the agent lift the object from height r1 to r2, let's say this is r1, this is r2, means that changing position from r1 to r2, so the total work done will be like this. You have to integrate this formula. Okay, so after we integrate this formula, finally we get this work is equal to y negative because we changing this. Okay, kita keluarkan negatif kat depan. Okay, so you can rewrite this formula as work done is equal to negative G point mass times test mass over times 1 over R2 minus R1. Actually R2 we can denote as R final and R1 is R initial. Okay, alright, next is gravitational potential energy. Okay, gravitational potential energy is defined the work done by external force in the bringing test mass from infinity to a point. From infinity means initial position and to a point is the final position. Based on the integrate before, the derivation of the formula by the agent, we can rewrite back this formula. Okay, so now our point or test mass is a work done by the external force from infinity to a point F. So infinity, R initial is become infinity. So 1 over infinity will be 0. Okay, so finally the formula come out as W, or you can rewrite back U is equal to negative G mm over R. This formula you can use if the question asks you to determine work done by external force in bringing test mass from infinity to a point. If let's say they ask you to calculate the work done by external force in bringing test mass from point 1 to point 2, you can use this formula back. Okay, so next.